What is data lake architecture? Data lake architecture is a framework which is used for storing and managing large amount of raw data. I can say a large amount of data in native format without having any schema, right? So we basically use it data lake architecture for storing raw data. So hence we don't have any validations as part of data. Straight away you can store data in raw format, as unlike other data warehouses which requires data transformation before we load data and process, right? So this data lake architecture frameworks allows organizations to store, right, or survive, right, diverse data types, like semi-structured data or structured data or unstructured data kind of data types without having any upfront schema, wherein you straight away store the raw data in native format, and whenever it requires you can straight away access it. That's how it is going to groom a scaling as well. So when you use a data lake architecture, we have different advantages. First thing is centralized repository. That means you can straight away store the data in central hub, which is coming from different or various sources, right? And straight away you can store it in centralized hub. Second thing is raw data storage. As I mentioned, this data lake architecture framework does not require any predefined data type or any validation to be done before you load or manage. Hence, you directly store that. Third thing is a flexibility analysis. That means you have a flexibility such that you can do whatever analysis on your raw data, as we don't have any upfront schema and any validations with respect to data. So straight away you can put your analysis algorithms. And next thing is scalability. So again, as we don't have any validations or any specific rules imposing on the data, it is very a good sign for scaling, right? So you can scale your data access or data storage using data lake architecture framework, right? So these are some of the key characteristics comes up with when you use data lake framework architecture or data lake architecture framework as like other data warehouse architectures.